So I picked up this Samsung frame TV. It comes with the box and one connect box cable. And then this is the 65-inch Samsung frame. And it said that the TV wouldn't turn on. He said the screen was broken, but I don't think the screen is broken. So I'm gonna do some digging, try to find out what's wrong. I already think I know what's wrong with it. I think it's just not connecting with the cable. So what I'm gonna do is look at the issue and see if I can fix the connection. I got all of this for 50 bucks, by the way. So see if I can fix it without actually having to buy a new main board. Okay. So here's a better look at the pins. You can see that some of them were pushed in, and all I gotta do is get these pliers, which I'm gonna try to do right now, and just pull them back, up, and then make sure that they're lined up correctly so they don't get pushed back in. All right, let's try to do this. Got these little pliers. Okay, let me get another tool. So, there's a little bit of forcing this panel to get off. Finally got it. Now we can see the problem here. You see, you can barely see how crooked they are. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna go behind. You can see that some of these are off. And all I gotta do is get my pry tool and push them back in. You see? So I'm pushing, I'm pushing these pins back inside of here. Because whenever he tried to push the cable back in, it was just pushing them further and further away from their connection. They didn't break, because they're not supposed to, but some of them are a little bit harder to get back into place. Hope I didn't break it. Let's see. There's about 3 of them. Okay. So I still got this one, and this one. Gotta somehow get these back into place. You see? All right, one sec. So I went ahead and took the thing off of the TV just so I can have a better view. I'm gonna take this off as well, so that way I have full access to this without breaking any pins. All right, let's do it. To these, so they are still connected. They are a little bent, so. I have everything plugged in, I'm going to go ahead and take the One Connect box here. Go ahead and plug it in here. And then let's see. Go ahead and plug this in first to make sure nothing's been pushed out. Alright, so nothing got pushed out, so that's good news. It's great news. Let's plug this in. So it's already on. Plug it in. Let's take a look. We got, boom. We have power. Alright, so one more time, we put it all together. The frame and panel is back on. We're gonna plug it in and get a, let's see what we have here. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's see if our remote works. Got this remote that it came with. Cool. Perfect, y'all. And you wouldn't believe that I got this TV for $50. Hell yeah. Good shit.